Hello, this is my screencast for the Microsoft Excel assignment. I'm very versed at Microsoft Excel. I can continue on numbers. I can do formulas. Let's try this again. Okay, I can do particular borders. I can do imports of data, CSV files, web files, Access database files, or SQL Server files. Pictures, things of that nature I can do without any difficulties. Seeing that this is a little bit late, I'm assuming that you've already assigned the responsibilities for the Excel homework, but just wanted to get this in to see if I could get at least 8 additional points. There you have it. Thank you.